So we're looking at this substitution into a formula. So if we know the formula for finding the volume of a sphere, and we've been given it V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, find the volume if the radius is 4 centimetres. Okay, so what we're going to do is write the formula down first. 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so when we put that, all we do now is replace what we know. And we know the radius is 4. And if you put that into the calculator, we're going 4 divided by 3 times by pi times by 4 to the power of 3. You can either do it with the power button by 3 or whatever your calculator does. And we get an answer of 268.08. So it's all it is substituting a letter for a number and putting it into your calculator.